Hello everyone, welcome back to Steno-Secret channel. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. However, the commencement as well as the entire investigation, if any so far done, is quashed on the ground that the third appellant (SHO) is not clothed with valid legal authority to take up the investigation and proceed with the same within the meaning of Section 5A (1) of the Prevention of Corruption Act. Stop. The observations made by the High Court are unwarranted and the historical anecdote is out of context and inappropriate. Stop. If such a view is to be judicially accepted and approved, then it will be tantamount to laying down an alarming proposition that an incoming government under all circumstances should put its seal of approval to all the commissions and omissions of the outgoing government, ignoring even glaring lapses and serious misdeeds and the deleterious and destructive consequences that may follow therefrom. Stop. If any information disclosing a cognizable offence is laid before an officer in charge of a police station satisfying the requirements of Section 154 of the Criminal Procedure Code, the said police officer has no other option except to enter the substance thereof in the prescribed form, that is to say, to register a case on the basis of such information. Stop. Stanza. Though a police officer cannot investigate a cognizable offence, he can investigate a non-cognizable offence under the order of a magistrate having power to try such non-cognizable case or commit the same for trial within the terms under Section 155 of the Code, but subject to Section 155 of the Code. Stop. Further, under the newly introduced subsection (4) to Section 155, where a case relates to two offences to which at least one is cognizable, the case shall be deemed to be a cognizable case, notwithstanding that the other offences are non-cognizable, and therefore under such circumstances the police officers can investigate such offences with the same powers as he has while investigating a cognizable offence. Stop. The core of the sections 156, 157 and 159 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is that if a police officer has reason to suspect the commission of a cognizable offence, he must either proceed with the investigation or cause an investigation to be proceeded with by his subordinate, that in a case where the police officer sees no sufficient ground for investigation. Stop.